Viewers and subscribers, welcome to Funtech AutoWorks, where we work on our cars and share them, and also ask you guys to share your thoughts, comments, and everything. And if you have any knowledge on any car you work on, please share it so we can all enjoy it on this channel. This is a fun tech work that we do DIY services and everything like that. This is where cars started from. Look how beautiful they are, and they come in more beautiful each day. So we love, oh, this one is crazy. We're watching some cars coming down the street and they're doing some crazy driving. So viewers as, whoa, look at that one. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, for viewers and subscribers, just please watch this channel, subscribe and share, and then we are trying to make you some wonderful videos that I know you can enjoy, watch and relax like Sunday movie. Watch that one coming down there. Yeah, like Sunday movies, like back in the day when we used to sit back, watch the TV and everything. But we're just doing fun with Auto right now, AutoWorks DIY and everything. So please stay tuned. We'll be coming with a lot of videos so you can enjoy Funtech AutoWorks. I know you guys love working in your cars, and I know you love fun, and I saw, you know, this is how we're having it right now. So watch, view, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Whoa, watch out that one, man, they're crazy. Oh, Lord of mercy. Yeah, come on down to Funtech AutoWorks and just do everything that you love here, and we're gonna do everything that you also love. So stay tuned. Coming soon, there's a lot more. Like I said before, we're trying to get some new cars on the channel. So we're looking right now. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but I want to find cars that we have challenges with, something that broke and we can fix it and share it. So stay with us while we on this channel and help us to build it from zero to millions. Funtech AutoWorks, help us here. Watch and enjoy. Love it, everyone, and we're looking forward to seeing your views. All right, and your subscribe to this channel. Remember, it's a free subscription, no payment or nothing, just subscribe and love it. All right, talk to you guys soon. Funtech AutoWorks, keep enjoying the video and watch it, and we'll have a lot more soon. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.